Hey everybody! If you want to view your Instagram password while logged in this video we are going to find out how to. So let's just get started with the video. So on your device you can head over to your settings because if you want to view your Instagram password while being logged in, you cannot do it due to the security reasons. However, you can just go over and find a saved password using your device's built-in password manager web browser. So on your phone settings, you need to go over and tap on Google, scroll down and find it up. And once you find it up, you can go ahead and select the option of managing your Google account. Now, once you select this option, what you may do is basically look out for the security and sign in option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you may scroll down and go to the section for your password manager. This one right here, and tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will open up this space right here with all of your applications and your saved password. So what you may do is basically find Instagram from here. Once you find Instagram, you just need to tap on it. For example, Facebook. After that, you just need to go over and enter your security of your phone. And once you do so, here you will be taken to the section where you can view your password. You can tap on this eye icon right there to view your password and do so. Or if not this, what you can do is you can go to the web browser instead and look out for your saved password. So go to a web browser, open it up, and then go to instagram.com. From instagram.com, you will be finding this page right here. Tap on login. And then once you tap on login, you will be taken to the space. Now you just need to go ahead and enter up the username or email address or mobile number in the section. After that, you just need to go ahead and tap on password. And if you find this key icon right here, you just need to tap on it and see if it autofills username and password. You can just go ahead and turn on this app option for save password. After that, if there is any kind of saved password, you will be finding the password right in the section return. You just need to tap on this eye icon right beside it like this, and you should be able to view your password for your Instagram account. And that's it. So that is everybody. That is it. You can follow up this process if you want to view your Instagram password while logged in. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.